of the Everyday Matters Bible. It's a Bible for women. Tells us that it's got practical encouragement to make everyday matter. It's a very pretty Bible. It's in the New Living Translation. This one is done by Hendrickson Publishing. It's quoted because everyday matters. So there's some of the information about this Bible, in case you'd like to pause and read that. So it features over 300 articles that focus on 24 spiritual practices. Gives us some examples, but we'll see those on the inside. And then these are each spiritual practice is explored in 4 different types of articles. So we've got everyday matters, everyday profiles, everyday reflections, and everyday questions and answers. Here's our ISBN number. This particular one retails for $44.95. And the reason I have 2 of these out is because one of these, I have added the rainbow Bible tabs, because I thought the color would just look nice with this